In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on TradingView by connecting your brokerage account. This straightforward process can open up a range of trading opportunities for you by pairing the robust analytical capabilities of TradingView with the execution power of your chosen broker. Let's dive into the step-by-step process and ensure you're set up for success in the futures market. First, we need to establish a connection with your broker within TradingView. At the bottom of your chart interface, you'll see a tab labeled Trading Panel. Click on this to bring up a list of supported brokers. This includes well-known names such as Tradivate, Optimus Futures, and TradeStation. Select the broker you use from this list. Next, you'll need to log into your brokerage account, so keep your login credentials on hand. Enter the information as prompted to create a secure connection between TradingView and your broker. Once you're logged in, you're all set to start placing futures trades directly from TradingView. With your broker connected, it's time to move on to placing a futures order. You'll begin by selecting the specific future symbol you wish to trade. You can find this either from your pre-made watch list or by using the search bar function, which is both quick and intuitive. Having selected your futures contract, the next step is to open your order ticket. You can do this either by accessing it within the trading panel or directly from your chart. This is where you'll configure the details of your trade, so it's important to familiarize yourself with this section. One critical choice you'll make here is your order type. TradingView offers several options. A market order will execute immediately at the best price currently available. A limit order allows you to decide a specific price at which you're willing to buy or sell, giving you more control over your entry and exit points. And a stop order, which triggers a market order to buy or sell once the asset reaches a predetermined price. You'll then want to set the quantity of your trade by inputting the number of contracts you intend to buy or sell. Also, input your desired price if using a limit or stop order. Alongside these key elements, consider your risk management strategy by setting stop loss and take profit levels. This can help safeguard your capital by automatically closing out trades once they reach certain levels of profit or loss. Once you're pleased with your trade setup, simply click Buy or Sell to place your order into the market. Finally, managing your trades effectively is crucial. Use the trading panel to monitor your open positions and orders, checking back frequently to see how your trades are performing. If you're new to futures trading or just want to refine your strategy, try out TradingView's paper trading feature. This allows you to practice in a risk-free environment by using simulated money instead of real capital, giving you a valuable opportunity to hone your skills before trading with actual funds. With your broker connected and your orders placed, you're now all set to harness the potential of TradingView for your futures trading endeavors. Happy trading!